I'm going to just pick up on the parameters a little bit more here. You can see this kind of puzzle piece star that has each of the parameters around it with their extra one added to it because they're the only ones that add it. You can see in your notes there's two different versions, whatever they're calling it this week. The main 4 plus the last one are a part of those stars. So if you like that visual of a 5-pointed star, you can also, there are 5 fingers on your hand, so you should come up with one for each finger. That could be helpful. So very quickly, again, hand shape, the shape that your hand is in. Palm orientation, which way your palm is facing. Location, the area in the sign or space where that sign is produced. Movement, the way the sign moves. Non-manual markers, facial expression, head movement, and body shifts. And joint point or proximalization, the use of joints such as shoulder, elbow, wrist, and fingers or knuckle, if that helps you to remember it. The most commonly used acronym to remember the parameters is the acronym Holmes. So H represents hand shape, O for palm orientation, location, movement, facial expression. So anytime there's 2 words, it's always the second word. Otherwise, there's no vowels and it's hard to make words in English without them. And that S for some of the other stuff, non-manuals, JP, whatever else people are adding in. So the 4 main ones are the most common: hand shape, palm orientation, location, and movement. Sometimes a facial expression is needed. Often it is not. It is extra information, just like vocal intonation is not necessary to understand the word. And then other stuff, probably don't need that at all. Next is activity number 3, identify the differences. You will be doing this. It's one of your assignments in your list of assignments in the module on Canvas. So if you'd like to pause after this video and go and do that, you can. You'll watch 2 different signs be produced and you'll just pick which parameter changed. After you're done with that, it will be the snapshot quiz. So when you're done with that activity, you can move into the snapshot quiz. Make sure that you review the snapshots and the information about them before you take that quiz. It's 20 points and it's multiple choice. Then you can practice the sign part, spot the difference in their version. So they have some different words, different signs that are the same process we just practiced in the practice sheet. So hopefully that's given you a good idea of which one is different. This is OpenNote. It's not open internet, so you should be doing this on your own. But if you want to have your notes pulled up to the page with the different examples on them or something else to help you remember which is which, that's totally fine. And there are 26 of those. So if you're ready to take those activities and quizzes and practice worksheets, you can do that now.